Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your Mac so SQL Server runs reliably. Install Homebrew because you'll use it to fetch helpers. Then download Docker Desktop matching Apple Silicon or Intel. Once done, open Docker settings and allocate at least 4 GB of RAM and 2 CPU cores to the engine so SQL Server Container performs well. Make sure virtualization is enabled and you have sufficient disk space. These steps reduce runtime errors and give you a stable environment before pulling the image. Next, pull and run the SQL Server Container image that matches your CPU architecture. This yields a Linux-based SQL Server instance quickly. Use Docker run with accept EULA and a strong SA password, publish port 1433, and give the container a name. Once the container starts, check Docker logs to confirm initialization, then connect using SQL CMD or Azure Data Studio from your Mac. If you need persistent data, attach a Docker volume. Otherwise, the container is ephemeral and will lose databases on removal. Finally, connect from your client and create users, set up databases, and run migrations. Make storage persistent by mounting a Docker volume or bind mounting a host folder so data survives container restarts. Once configured, automate startup with Docker Compose or a launch script. If something goes wrong, first confirm Docker exposes port 1433, inspect container health via Docker PS and Docker logs, and verify the SA password and environment variables. These quick checks solve most common connection and startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.